How we doing, guys? Welcome back to the channel. As you probably guessed, it's another Black Widow exhaust review. This one is the 350mm silencer. It's quite long, this one. I like the look of it though, with it being blacked out. I'm quite interested to see how this one sounds. If I was going to pick one out of all the ones I've tested, this would be the one I'd pick for myself. I really like the look of this. Again, top quality from Black Widow. I think we just need to get it on the bike, don't we? And see what it sounds like. I think I'll be taking this one for a bit of a run as well and see what it sounds like while I'm out on the bike. Let's do a quick sound test with the baffle in. And how it's supposed to be with the baffle out.